Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the TEKS tool strip diagram, specifically comparison. We are working with a problem related to TEKS 3.4a, and we'll do it in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it. We will look at our answers together. So we've got a county fair, we've got a blue team and a red team. And we want to know how many more tickets the blue team collected than the red team. Well, when we see something like how many more, that's a big clue that we are dealing with a comparison. Now, a comparison is going to act the same way in regards to the operations as we would a part whole, but it's different because we don't have a part and a whole. We've got two separate quantities. So think about these two things. We've got the blue team. They've got 503. So I'm going to write quantity underneath here because this is one of the quantities that we're dealing with. And then we got a red team, and they have 385 tickets, and this is another quantity. And so we're not combining them. This isn't a part whole, right? Some didn't go away. We just have two separate quantities. We need to compare them. That comparison, how many more, lets us know. Let's draw a comparison strip diagram. So this is how we're going to do it. We're going to write blue team right here. Let's just write blue. I'm going to draw a single bar that is about that long, and we'll label this as 503. That's how many tickets the blue team has. Now what we need to do is we need to draw a separate bar so they're not connected. A part whole is one in which the two are connected because they're joining them or you're separating them. In this, there's just two separate, and you're just going to compare the difference between the two. How much bigger is one than the other? How many more is one than the other? How much longer or taller or whatever is one than the other? You do want to make sure that you have them at different lengths, right? So 503, 385, that's kind of my estimate as to how far 385 would go if that was like a number line and 500 as was at the end. What I'm looking for, this comparison, is the difference between the two. So typically we'll do a little curly brace like this, and we'll do a question mark. And so that's how we're going to draw that strip diagram to show the comparison between blue and red. Now, I could add up if I want to, right? I can say 385 plus my unknown comparison would get me up to the total length of that blue. You can move them around using the commutative property. The two add-ins still end up equaling the same sum, 503. What's going to be most helpful for us is the subtraction sentences, right? We can always write a fact family 4 out of a strip diagram. And so that's going to be 385, but I don't know 503 minus what makes 385. It's this last one that's going to be the most helpful. 503 minus 385 equals blank. Now, if we were to make a part whole strip diagram for a different problem, we would come up with the same four operations or the same four number sentences. So that's where the confusion comes in. You end up using the same operations, but it's a different relationship. We're comparing these two. So let's subtract 385 from 503. We're going to use a standard algorithm here. Now, first thing we need to know is we need to realize that I'm trying to take 5 from 3. We start with the ones place. There are not enough. I need 5, and there's only 3. So I'm going to go to the tens place, but it's a 0. There's nothing there. So I've got to go all the way across that 0. I need to go to this 5, but those are 500s. So I'm going to take 100, leaving 400s, and that 100 does not become 10 to become 10 ones, it becomes 10 tens. So now I've got 10 tens. Now I can take a 10, leaving 9, and add it to my 3 ones. So now I've got 13 ones. All right, so this is a little bit more doable. 13 ones minus 5 ones is 8 ones. 9 tens minus 8 tens is 110, and then 400s minus 300 is 100. Now, there's no A, B, C, or D, so if this were a star problem, you would just have to type it in. In this case, we can just write it in. Our answer is 118. That's how many more tickets the blue team collected than the red.